अगर नहीं दो
आ गया
एवरीवन को कहना हो जाएगा
तो छोटा हो गया इसके लिए
मोबाइल में इतना प्रेजेंटर बनाइए ना ऑप्शन है
आ गया ना
इसमें से मीटिंग में स्टार्ट करके प्रेजेंटर इसमें कैसे
हो गया सब रुको ना तो मिनिमाइज कैसे होगा वेट कर हाँ जाओ हो गया चलो ओके तो solvent and solute. Okay, solution consists of solvent and solute. Solvent is always denoted by 1 and solute is always denoted by 2. Okay, means suppose number of moles is denoted by n. Okay, so number of moles of solvent denoted by n1 and number of solute is denoted by n2. Okay, similarly mole fraction is denoted by x. You know, mole fraction is denoted by x. Okay, so mole fraction of solvent means x1, mole fraction of solute means x2. Okay, so always solvent is denoted by 1 and solute is denoted by 2. Clear? So there are different types of example of solution. Okay, so you know solid in solid, gas in liquid, liquid in gas. Okay, so example देख लेना इतना लिखा है. So now we'll discuss concentration of solution. Okay, this is very important. Concentration of solution. Okay. So concentration means amount of solute present in a fixed amount of solvent. Okay. So there are various concentration by which we can express a solution. First, you know, mass by mass concentration. Okay. Means percentage concentration. First, percentage concentration. Okay. Mass by mass, mass by volume, and volume by volume. Clear? So three type of percentage concentration. One is mass by mass. Here both amount of solute and solvent is expressed by their mass. Okay. In case of mass by volume, amount of solute is expressed by mass, amount of solvent expressed by volume. Okay. So here volume by volume both are expressed in volume unit. Okay. Suppose 5% NaCl solution. Okay. So what does it mean? 5% NaCl, 5% M by M NaCl solution. Okay. 10% M by V sugar solution. Okay. Aqua solution. Or here 20% V by V ethanol solution. Okay. So tell me 5% M by M NaCl solution. What does it signify? Hello?
5 grams present in 100 ml of solution.
M by M का मतलब यही है क्या? क्वेश्चन पहले ठीक से सुनो. M by मतलब यही है, वॉल्यूम है.
Gram solution 100 gram solution.
5 gram sodium chloride
present in 100 gram of solution.
100 gram of solution. Okay. 10% M by V. 10% M by V. What does it mean? 10% m by
10
v.
gram present
10 gram sugar present in 100 ml solution. Okay. And 20% v by v ethanol means 20 ml ethanol present in 100 ml of solution. Yeah, percentage composition very easy. Okay. So mass by mass by volume, and volume by volume. Next, number of moles. Okay. So number of moles. M. So we know number of moles equals to given weight by molecular weight. Okay. This is the formula of number of moles. Given weight by molecular weight. Okay. Suppose 9 gram water. Okay. Or 20 gram sodium hydroxide. Okay. Convert into in terms of mole. So 9 gram H2O equivalent to how many moles of water? 9 gram of water equivalent to how many moles of water?
So 0.2 moles.
0.2 moles. 0.2 मोल्स 9 बाई पी क्या होगा? मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना है वाटर का?
18
ना
18.
1 by 2 0.5 0.2 कैसे हो गया? Clear? So always given weight by divided by molecular weight. Okay, you will get number of moles of any substances. Given weight by molecular weight. Remember the formula. So like 20 gram sodium hydroxide. Okay, so 20 by क्या होगा? Molecular weight of sodium hydroxide 20 by 20 by क्या होगा? 23. दिमाग खराब है क्या?
50
मॉलिक्यूलर वेट पता नहीं. सोडियम 23. ओके. ऑक्सीजन 16. हाइड्रोजन 1. कितना होगा? 40. ओके.
30
ये भी 0.5. Number of moles. How to calculate number of moles? Just divide given weight by molecular weight. Okay. Number of moles तो जानना होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Remember this formula only. Given weight by molecular weight of that substance. Okay. Given weight W by M. याद रखना है. W by M. Capital M. M means molecular weight. W given weight. This is number of moles. Next, mole fraction. Okay. Mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by x. Okay. And number of moles denoted by small n, small x. So what is mole fraction? Mole fraction means, okay, number of moles of any substance by total number of moles. Suppose in a solution, okay, so number of moles of solvent N1, number of moles of solute N2. Okay, so mole fraction of solvent X1, because one is solvent is denoted by X1. Okay, so mole fraction of solvent क्या होगा? Mole fraction of solvent
Sir, x1 by x1 plus x2.
N1. Okay, N1 by
N1
N1
plus
plus
N2.
N2. Okay. So number of moles, mole fraction means number of mole of that component by total number of moles of that system. Okay, so here in this system only solute and solvent is present. So that's why total number of means number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solution. Okay, so N1 by N1 plus N2. Similarly, mole fraction of solute X2, okay, equals to क्या होगा? N2
N2 by
by
N1
N1
N2.
plus N2. Okay. So now total mole fraction X1 plus X2 क्या होगा? N1
1.
by 1 होगा, ठीक है?
1.
N1 N2 by N2 by N1 plus N2 equals to 1. Okay. So total mole fraction in a system is always equals to 1. Okay. Total mole fraction of a system is always equals to 1. Okay. Suppose if there is 3 components. Okay. If there is 3 components A, B, C, then mole fraction of A क्या होगा? XA equals to XA by sorry NA है NA plus B plus NC. Similarly, in case of B, NB equal to XB equal to NB plus total mole. So always mole fraction, summation of mole fraction of the system equals to 1. Okay, Xi equals to 1. Yeah. So this is the number of mole and mole fraction. Any doubt? तो इसको मोलारिटी जाऊंगा, ठीक है? Okay. Next molarity. Okay. Molarity. This is also the concentration of solution. Okay. Molarity denoted by capital M. Okay. So what is molarity? Molarity means number of moles. Okay. Present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, so this is the definition of molarity. Number of moles present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, so if molarity means, suppose concentration of the solution is 2 molar. Okay, so what does it signify? Concentration of a solution is 2 molar. Okay, so that means 1 liter of solution contains 2 mole of solute. Okay. Similarly, suppose 0.5 molar glucose solution. Okay. So tell me, what does it signify? 0.5 molar glucose solution.
0.5.
So 0.5 mole glucose is present in 1 liter solution.
0.5 mole glucose is present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, so this is the definition of molarity. Next we will discuss about how to calculate molarity. So first definition clear. Number of moles present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, number of moles present in 1 liter of solution is molarity of that solution. Okay. So next. So how to calculate molarity? Okay, so first suppose 20 gram sodium hydroxide. Okay, 20 gram sodium hydroxide dissolve in 250 ml of solution. Okay, that means 20 gram sodium hydroxide dissolve and form 250 ml of solution. Okay, the total volume of solution 250 ml. So find the molarity. Okay, find molarity of this solution. So this is question. Okay, so how to find the molarity of solution? First, okay, so first convert 20 gram of sodium hydroxide into mole, number of moles. Okay, So first, molecular weight of sodium hydroxide, 20 gram
40.
of sodium, 20 gram of sodium
40.
hydroxide equivalent to 20 by 40. Okay, so 0.5 mole sodium hydroxide. Clear? First line, 20 gram sodium hydroxide. Number of mole clear? Okay, so next, so 250 ml solution contains 0.5 mole of sodium hydroxide, so 1000 ml contains. Okay, just unitary method, simple. No formula is needed. Okay, no formula is required. Just do simple unitary method. So here 250 ml solution. 250 ml solution contains 0.5 mole sodium hydroxide. Okay, so 1000 ml contains 0.5 by 250 into 1000. Okay, for 2 molar. The concentration of this solution is 2 molar. Molarity of this solution is 2. Okay, molarity. तो फॉर्मूला ऐसे यूनिटरी मेथड अच्छा होगा, ठीक है? तो ऐसे भूल नहीं होता यूनिटरी मेथड फॉलो करोगे तो। जस्ट सिंपल, ओके, यूनिटरी मेथड इतना में इतना तो कितना होगा। तो टू और डिफरेंट टाइप दिखाऊंगा अभी। एक क्लियर है क्या? फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, ओके, देन सिंपल यूनिटरी मेथड। पता डाउट एनी?
No, sir.
ठीक है, ओके। तो another type of problem, okay, regarding molarity. Suppose ये भी आएगा है, prepare 250 ml, okay, prepare 250 ml 0. प्रैक्टिकल में लगेगा 0.5 मोलर, ओके, 250 ml 0.5 मोलर ग्लूकोज सॉल्यूशन। प्रैक्टिकल में सॉल्यूशन बनाना पड़ता है, ठीक है, तब ये क्वेश्चन आएगा। So how to solve this type of problem? So in case of molarity, okay, so there is a one line you have to remember always. 1000 ml, okay, 1000 ml 1 molar equivalent to always molecular weight for any substances, okay, molecular weight. So this line is very important. 1000 ml 1 molar equivalent to molecular weight, okay. So here molecular weight of which substance? Glucose. So 1000 ml 1 molar equivalent to molecular weight of here glucose, okay, because here glucose is a solute. So what is the molecular weight of glucose?
180.
180, okay.
180.
180. तो यहाँ क्या होगा? 1000 ml 1 molar glucose solution means 180 gram glucose, okay. So that means if 180 gram glucose dissolve in water and form 1000 ml of solution, then the molarity of that solution is 1 molar, okay. Suppose in case if it is suppose sodium hydroxide, okay, or sodium chloride. So in case of sodium hydroxide 1000 ml 1 molar equivalent to 40 gram of sodium hydroxide, okay. In case of sodium chloride 1000 ml 1 molar equivalent to sodium 23 23 plus 35.5, okay, so 58.5. so clear, this line is very important, okay, for any calculation. तो नेक्स्ट लाइन क्या होगा ये बताओ? नेक्स्ट लाइन क्या होगा? सिंपल यूनिटरी मेथड, ओके। सो So 250 ml concentration 0.5, okay. 0.5 molar solution equivalent to क्या होगा 180 divided by 1000, okay. ऊपर होगा 250 into 0.5, जो आंसर आएगा 254 हो गया, ठीक है 4 और ये 2 हो गया 90, ठीक है 90 मतलब 45 हो गया ना। तो 45 इंटू 0.5 क्या होगा 45 का हाफ 22.5 ग्राम ग्लूकोज, ठीक है कैलकुलेशन।
Yes, sir.
ओके तो अगर लैब में ऐसे बोलूंगा, ठीक है पीपीआर सॉल्यूशन लैब में, तो क्या होगा पहले एक ऐसे कॉनिकल लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है सॉरी कॉनिकल नहीं, इसको वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क कहते हैं, ऐसे कहते हैं ये वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क, ठीक है ये ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा है पेन के लिए, ये वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क होता है, ठीक है ऐसे, ठीक है यहाँ एक मेजर होता है। तो फास्ट टेक 22.5 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज, ओके देन filled with water and mark it up to 25 ml, okay your solution is ready. So clear how to make solution in laboratory. So this is the calculation, okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो बाकी कॉल लूंगा है, डिजिटल बोर्ड लाइट चला गया। ये डिजिटल कॉल पर आऊंगा, ठीक है। हेलो।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, बाकी कॉल ये डिसमिस हो गया।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.